everybody ready for PlushTober? Yeah. Yeah, we're ready. Hey, Hammer, one question. Yeah. Yes, Purple Yoshi. Is there any wrestling event you're gonna pull? I don't know, but we have to see. But here it is. The match we're having is Junior over there, and we got Big Bird, and we got Pac-Man as the referee. So let's get the match started. Are you ready to lose, Big Bird?
I'm pretty sure. Your ass.
All right, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ding. Come here. Oh. Yeah, keep wrestling. My God, Junior, do you tap? Oh, yeah, 1, 2. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a little... Dang. Oh, Junior, get out of the way. I can't, I'm dizzy. I don't know what Big Bird's gonna do. Oh. Oh, dang. Oh, suplex. I wish I could do a suplex. Fell. Oh. One, two. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Oh wait, no, out of count.
Big man. You're too safe.
Oh.
You're so safe. Come on. Come understand what I'm saying. You got Big man. Come on.
Uh-oh. Oh. 1, 2. Oh, kick out. Oh. 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 1, 2.
Yeah, this match is cool. This match is fun. Oh my god, bro. This match, bro. Dang. Bro, you saw that? Yeah, I saw that. Oh, here we go. Oh no, Junior, don't do it. Don't do it, Junior. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Oh! By caught. He got caught by Big Bird, and Big Bird just slam him. Dang. They need to get back up. Who's going to get back up? Is it Big Bird? Oh, Big Bird. The first one got back up. Oh, he told Junior to come on. And, oh my god, bro. This match has got to be the fun match ever, bro. Oh. Dang. Alright. Okay, bro. This match got to be the coolest match ever again.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
This is not going to be good.
Uh-oh. 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 Oh. This match is cool. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh, one, two. Oh, kick out by Junior. Kick out by Junior. Kick out by Junior. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Gang, this match could be the best match ever. Literally, not lying, gang. Not lying. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Dude. Ah, dude, this is so tiring, not gonna lie. So tiring. Yeah, this match is so tiring because everybody's tired. Like, it's at nighttime, of course. Everybody is tired, but some of the people's tired. Oh, some of the people's tired, but not a lot of people. Like us, we're tired as well. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Dang. Oh no. Oh, he reversed. Junior reversed it. Oh. Dang. This match could be cool. This match could be the best match ever. This match could be cool, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Hit him again, Junior. Hit him again. Bro. Bro, why you tell Junior to hit him again? Are you Junior's side? No. No, I'm not a Junior side. Paratrooper. Stop it. Fine. Anyways, we have Junior is trying to tap Big Bird, but they're not even in the ring.
Wait, no.
They're not even in the ring, so what is Junior doing? They're not even in the ring. Oh my god, like, what are they doing? They're not even in the ring. Oh yeah, now they're in the ring now. Now they're in the ring. Here we go. Oh my god, Junior is over here getting cooked. I don't even know why. Junior over here getting cooked. He's over here getting cooked right now. Oh, what a slam. Oh my god, one, two. Oh, he's still kicked out. He is still kicked out. Junior's still kicked out. Oh my god. When is he gonna stop kicking out? Never. He's never gonna stop kicking out. You know that boy is. He will never stop kicking out. You know that boy. You know that boy. He will never stop kicking out. You know that boy. Dang. This boy is literally good. Uh-oh. Wait. Oh! Oh! You guys saw that? Do you guys saw that? One, two. Oh, Junior's still kicked out. Junior's still kicked out. Junior's still kicked out. He's still kicked out. And he's still in this match. This match still continues. This match still continues. Oh my god, bro. Junior, you're crazy, bro. Bro, I can't believe that Big Bird just jumped off top of the roof.
2.
Just up top.
Oh,
On high
that's 2.
risk. On high risk. And Big Bird kicked out. Big Bird kicked out. I saw that. Oh my god. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Junior's still punching him. Junior is punching him. He doesn't give a frick. You know him. He doesn't care. He doesn't really care. He doesn't care at all. This is Mario Wrestling. Come on. This is Mario Wrestling. Like, come on, bro. Come on. Oh, you get the lock in. You get the lock. You got the lock. Oh my god, Big Bird is screaming. Big Bird is screaming. Big Bird is literally screaming right now. Big Bird is literally screaming. He's literally shouting and screaming right now. He's saying no. He's saying no. He don't want to tap out. He doesn't want to tap out. Big Bird is... I knew Big Bird is not going to tap out. I knew it. I knew that Big Bird is not going to tap out. Yeah, I know. Now, Big Bird is still locked in. He got to reach from the ropes. And then Junior was stopped. Obviously, I know how wrestling works. Shut up. Fine. Anyways, oh, he's finna make it the ropes. He's finna make it to the ropes. Let's see, he can make it. Uh-oh. 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 He's making it, y'all. He's making it. He's making it to the ropes, y'all. He's making it to the ropes. Oh, no. Oh, no. He's gonna do it. He's finna hit it. He's finna hit it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. I know. He's gonna do it. He's finna hit it. He's finna hit it. He's finna do it. Yep, he's finna do it. Yeah. Alright. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, please don't. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, damn. Okay. They both fell down, and Junior's out of breath. Junior's out of breath right now. And so as Big Bird. So as. Oh my god. This match got to be more popular. This match is going to be popular, I bet this match is going to be popular. I just know it. I just know this match is going to be popular. I just know it. I just know this match is going to be more popular. More. Oh no. No. Oh no. Junior's up top. Oh. Oh god. Oh god. Do the cover. 1, 2. Oh, and then Big Bird kicks out. Big Bird kicks out. Big Bird literally just kicked out. Oh my god. Big Bird. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Oh no. Oh my god. Bird is over here laying down. He's out of breath right now. And Junior's in the floor. Junior's in the floor right now. With all the crowd. With all the crowd. Dang. Uh-oh. Oh no, Junior's getting back in the ring. Junior's getting back in the ring. Oh no, wait. Oh. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. He reversed it. Bro just reversed it. And oh. 1, 2, 3.
You guys can't even
Go. Bro, I can't believe he cooked. He just cooked. Big Bird is the winner. Big Bird is the winner. Big Bird literally won.
You guys never learn. You guys are trash. You guys are freaking lame. You guys are trash. You guys are freaking trash. You guys are freaking lame. Piss in the bed twice. Actually,
I told y'all I was gonna say that Junior is gonna get defeated with the weight down, and he did.
Many years pissing the bed. That is a don't be a pissy boy and a pissy boy in the bed.
You suck. Look at you. And all of y'all fans out there, don't listen to Junior because he's stupid. He suck. Okay. When I almost beat Waluigi, but don't worry. Waluigi, you're next. Well, I'm getting out of the ring. Hey, what the heck, Pac-Man? What about me? Get up by yourself. What? Wow. 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 Literally, wow. Just wow. What a great match. Wow, what a great match. Mario, can you help Mr. Junior? Because he's over here whining like a crybaby. Whining a crybaby? Man, Junior, we do not whine and cry in here. Man. Whatever. Hey, guys, did I miss anything? Ugh. Yeah, you missed the whole thing. Wait, did I miss the whole thing? Wait, did I miss the whole match? Yeah. What? Hey, not bad, Big Bird. You actually won. Yeah, the good thing is I won. I knew that I was gonna win. Trust me, I knew that I was gonna win. Because Junior's not even in my level. So how the heck is he gonna win? Yeah, but anyways. Junior, get over here. Yes. Junior, we do not whine. We do not whine in here. Do you understand me? What are we talking about? We do not whine in here. Shut up. Oh, I didn't say nothing. Alright, come on, Junior. Let's just talk about people who whine. No. I don't want to go with you. Bro. Really, bro? You don't want to go with me? Fine. Bet. I'm just gonna go to my locker room. Alright. I'm just gonna go too, I guess. I'm just gonna go too.